Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and sorry for being inactive for so long because I was not so well, as you can already tell from my voice. So yeah, let's start with the tutorial and then further we will talk about it. So yeah, here I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm applying dots all over my face and then I'm blending it with a foundation brush, as you can see here. I'll be dragging a foundation on my neck also, so it looks all together. Now I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm using two shades here. First I will go with a darker shade to conceal my under eyes and eyelids, and I will blend it with foundation brush as well, like so. And now taking a lighter shade and adding wherever I want to highlight my features, like inner corner of the eyes, outer corner of the eyes, bridge of my nose, and around little bit around my mouth, etc. And I'll blend it. Now I'm taking my bronzer and going to contour my face on the usual places, like under the cheekbone and under jawline and on the forehead, as you can see here. And I'll blend it really well. So I'm adding a bronzer before doing powder on my face, because that's way bronzer will look most intense, and I just want my bronzer to look very intense and very prominent. So yeah, now I'm pinching my contour brush and going to contour my nose, because I'm very lazy here, so I don't want to change brush. So yeah, this is the little hack which you can try to contour your nose, and then I'm going to blend all together so it looks seamless. Now I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder and I'm going to set under my eyes. I will mention the shade name and number in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And now I'm taking a clean fluffy brush and without any product, I'm just going to blend all together and dusting off excess powder. Now I'm taking a coral blush, peachy coral blush. This one is from the Balm Cosmetics, and this is discontinued, I guess, unfortunately, so you can't get it. But yeah, any coral, peachy coral blush will do. And now I'm using a Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline, and yeah, this is a very pigmented and very good quality highlighter, so you can invest in this. So I'm adding it on the high points of my face, and then I'm fixing everything in with MAC Fix Plus. This is the only high-end product which I'm using in this video, so please bear with me. And now I'm highlighting my collarbone, because I'm wearing off shoulder, so yeah, the highlighter is mandatory. And now I'm taking a same highlighter and adding it onto my eyelids and in the inner corner of my eyes and on the brow bone. Like so. Now I'm taking a Makeup Revolution chocolate bar palette. Yeah, that is the name, I guess. And I'm taking a rusty orangey shade and I'm adding it onto my crease and I'm blending it. Now I'm taking a peachy orangey shade from the palette and I'm adding further into the crease, this time a little lower, and I'm blending it. And I'm flicking it out, and then I'm adding the same shade onto my lower lash line as well to just give that little smoky effect. Now I'm taking a shimmery champagne shade from the palette and I'm adding it just in the center of my eyelids, not on all over the eyelids, just on the center, like so. So it gives little halo effect to the eye. And now I'm doing my eyebrows quickly. As you can see here. Now I'm using L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara and I'm adding it onto my eyelashes, upper as well as lower eyelashes, to give them little fuller effect. And this mascara is really very good. It gives a very fuller look to the eyes. And now I'm using a pink lip liner on the lower waterline of my eye to give the whole look a little monochromatic feel, and it looks beautiful. So yeah, this is the little hack which you can try. So yeah, eyes are done. Now moving on to the lips, I'm using a coral lipstick. This one is from NYX and the shade is Sao Paulo. I hope I am pronouncing it right. I will list the shade name in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And I feel this is the little darker for the look, so I'm adding a little lighter shade to tone it down. And this one is in the shade Cannes. This is also from NYX. So yeah, now this is the perfect lip color which I wanted for this look, and this is so me because I just love to wear this kind of looks on the winter days, you know. So yeah, this is the final finished look, and I just love the way it turned out. Let me know guys, how did you like this look, and what do you want to see next from me? I would love to hear from you guys, and please make sure if you haven't subscribed to my channel, so you do so. It will help me a lot, and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And from now I will definitely see you on super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.